5 easy ways to lose the weight of a baby. Hey, I'm Dr. Livingood, and today we're talking about easy ways to lose the weight of a baby. Not lose baby weight, but lose the weight of a baby. 13 pounds of preciousness. Imagine this, except fat on your body. How do you get that off really quick? I thought my little baby Ireland should make her debut and help you with these 5 simple ways that you can rapidly kickstart your weight loss. This is the bonus way. Number 1, hand her to mommy. Good way to lose 13 pounds really fast. All right, in all seriousness though, there is 5 ways I want to break down with you today. Number 1 is a 3-day juice cleanse. I love doing cleanses. Not only are you losing weight in a healthy way, but you are pouring in nutrients, which is going to detox your system, which is going to lead to longer term weight loss. So if you're looking to kickstart it, check out my 3-day juice cleanse. It comes from a alternative cancer center that we actually use to help people overcome cancers in an alternative fashion. But imagine doing that, losing weight, and you're cranking up your immune system and fighting cancer all in one shot. Great way to kickstart it. Number 2, stop eating. Now, I'm not literally meaning stop eating, but if you want to kickstart your weight loss and lose the weight of a baby really fast, you need to start curbing your consumption. And the best way to do that is through intermittent fasting, which means you only eat lunch and dinner in a day. You can eat at noon, you can eat at 6, but you're only eating during a 6-hour window. The rest of the time, stop eating. We eat way too much. The fact that you've been taught to eat 3, 5, 6, 8 meals a day, it's crazy. Your insulin's constantly high. Give your body a break. Allow it to heal instead of spending all of its energy and time digesting food and processing the calories that you're pumping in. Eat at noon, eat at dinner, and then that's it. No late night snacking, no breakfast needed. Try intermittent fasting. Number 3, you gotta address the toxicity. See, these toxins get buried into the fat cells of your body. So your body's just storing all of this junk. And so you gotta start detoxing. And especially if you start losing any kind of weight, you've gotta detox. So it's going to expedite your weight loss, but it's also going to prevent the rebounding effect. And rebounding is when you lose a bunch of weight, you release a bunch of toxins, and your body says, uh-oh, what do I need to do with these toxins? And what it does is it creates fat again. And it starts storing the toxins back in fat, and then you put the weight right back on. The best way I know how to do that is a proper gut reset, which people lose crazy amounts of weight on, but more importantly, it heals up your gut, which is controlling your immune system and extinguishes inflammation in the body. You can click the link below to learn more about that. Number 4 is Candida. Candida is yeast overgrowth in your digestive system and is a weight loss nightmare. Yeast feeds off sugar. So if you like carbs and you love sugary drinks, foods, and you have a lot of sugar cravings, then you've got to address Candida because more than likely you have a yeast overgrowth problem. Now, it is said to affect 15 to 100 million Americans, and some research shows Candida can cause an extra 30 pounds of weight gain. 30 pounds. So that's crazy. So addressing this, you got to get Candida under control. I have an entire article, an entire series about addressing Candida, getting out of your system, as well in our gut reset protocol, it addresses it. So getting the yeast under control stops the sugar cravings, stops feeding that, and starts cranking up the fat loss. Number 5 is get some leverage. Let's face it, you don't like getting up early to work out. You like your cheat meals and little fixes during the day that are putting a lot of extra calories on you, or you simply can't stay consistent. So you've got to attack the mental side of things to set up leverage on yourself, meaning meet a buddy at the gym to hold yourself accountable to get yourself up in the morning. Set a budget or set yourself up for success by packing your own lunches or making things simple from a perspective of getting leverage on not cheating during the day. You've got to figure out how to get discipline over yourself and honestly, for all of us, over our weaknesses. And so if you know you're weak in areas, double and triple down at overcoming those areas to get leverage on yourself. That is 5 easy ways that you can lose the weight of a baby, 13 pounds, really fast. 3-day juice cleanse, stop eating and use intermittent fasting, detox your system through things like a gut reset, address Candida, the thing that puts on a lot of fat and makes you crave sugar, and get leverage over the weaknesses and the areas that you keep being inconsistent with to guarantee that you stay consistent. If you like that, more material coming at you, lots of links below to be able to understand more about all the areas we talked about. Health doesn't have to be complicated. It's actually very simple. You just got to be consistent with it. See you real soon. Hey, if you like what you're seeing, then hit the subscribe button below because we come out with real health solutions every single week, and you can stay up to date by keeping health simple so you can experience real health. So hit subscribe and then ring the bell, and we will keep the good content coming. I'll see you again real soon.